Hello, and today we are looking at the Daron Emirates Airbus A380. And you can see it comes packaged in this nice little box here with a nice big display window for the model, so you can have it on display in this box real easily. As well as on the back, we have a nice image of the plane. This is identical to the model found inside. So have a nice quick look at it there. Of course, we've got Emirates A380 written here as well as a little bit of info about an A380. Just kind of like a bit like the selling points of it, such as the double-decker A380 is the largest passenger plane in the world, but we will get into more information about that later. But now let's switch to having a look at the actual model itself. As you can see, here it is. It comes attached to this nice little piece of card here, with these little attachments. Really easy to get off. And there you have it. The Daron Emirates A380. Looking really nice. This is a nice, simple die-cast metal model, but with some plastic parts. Let's start looking at some of the details on this plane. Starting at the wings, you can see we've got the flaps and the ailerons on them as well as the wingtip fences found on the A380. And as you can see, we've got little Emirates symbols on them as well. Which you can see the jet engines as well, of course 2 on each wing, for a total of 4. And then if we move to the tail of the plane on the horizontal and vertical stabilizers, here you can see the elevators on them, and a nice livery, the UAE flag on the vertical stabilizer. Of course you can look at the cockpit and see the distinct shape of the A380 with its 2 full double deck floors. And you can see all the doors and windows really nicely in their place. So let's see underneath, you can see it has some very simple landing gear with nice little rollable wheels. You can see they do, let's move this part away. See, it does have rolling wheels. Really nice little feature, but they are just very simple landing gear. Of course, you can see the engines underneath as well, all 4 of them this time. Take another look at this side of the plane. You can see it's the same detail across it. Of course, as you can see, it has the Emirates livery. This is actually the second livery Emirates used, and this was used between 1999 and 2023. It's only recently been replaced. As you can see from the UAE flag on the vertical stabilizer on both sides, and the Emirates written in gold here, in both English and in Arabic there. Of course, Emirates also written underneath, and Emirates logos on the jet engines and the wingtip fences as well. Once again, it's on both sides of this plane. Now we'll look at some other little details up close. As you can see here, it says Airbus A380 800 on the front of the plane, which is obviously the model of this plane. And that is again once written on both sides. Now, let's get into a little bit about the actual history of the A380, one of the most iconic planes of all time. Now, the A380 is a large, wide-body, quad-jet, meaning 4 engines, airliner. It is the largest passenger airliner in the world, and the world's only full-length, double-deck airliner, of course being 2 floors. And hence this, it gained the nickname Super Jumbo due to its size. And it was first announced to the public in 1990 and entered full production back in 2003, with the first ones entering service in 2007. However, in 2021, it finally entered production. So no more A380s are being built. So they're only the ones that are flying around now are the ones you will see, with Emirates being the biggest flyer of the A380. It was designed to compete with and end the dominance of the Boeing 747 in the long-haul market, which is another jumbo jet, and this one beating it for size. Again, this is an A380 800, which is the only variant of the A380. Others were proposed, such as a stretched version and a cargo version, but they never entered production, so there is only A380 800s around. And the designation A380 was chosen as the 8 resembled the 2 floors of a cross-section of the A380 itself, which is a nice little fun fact about this model. Now going back to it, we can have a quick look at the actual size of it, with its length being about 15.24 centimeters or 6 inches, and a wingspan of about 16.51 centimeters or 6.5 inches. So overall, it's a nicely sized model, a really iconic plane, that being the A380. It's a jumbo jet, which also makes it inherently cooler like that. It's a nice little collector's piece, great for anyone who may have flown on this plane, seen one, really likes aviation such as the A380. So overall, it is a really, really nice model, and it's available now from modelcorner.co.uk.